Okay, so right off the bat this morning in the 9 a.m. turn, I tried to take a rotation off of this big massive rally. We had a CPI report that just blew the lid off of the morning session. I thought I'd get a quick little move to the downside here. That one ended up failing. Went against me for a pretty negligible loss, a couple $100. But upon that failing, immediately I flipped and went long, as I kind of assumed that this one was going to break out again back to the upside. Took a little bit of heat on this flip, and then it absolutely rallied and broke through this top side resistance, pulled back, and then kept on going straight up for I took it for about roughly 9 S&P points on 2 contracts, more than covered my loss from the first trade, and carried on up, as you'll see here, over the next 15 to 20 minutes. I held this thing. In total, this one went for about $650 as I let I took the first one off after about 5.5 S&P points, and let the second contract run. As you can see here, here was the setup I was looking at. Here's the rotation downward, and then on this first big violent red candle, and then it just rallied straight back up and then started to peter out and rotate back around to the downside. That's how you play, or that's how I played this particular CPI report today.